My friend Jen just renovated the second floor of her house. This house is from the 1930s, so it was very dark, it was drafty, and she went all in. She got new floors, she got a skylight, she got foam insulation, but what she was really excited about was her bedroom makeover. This isn't a big room, it's only 10 by 13, so we didn't reinvent the wheel here. We already had a great closet, the bed, which she already had and loved, we worked with that. All we had to bring in was a few accessories and brighten up the space to make it feel really fresh. I didn't want to overwhelm the space with a dark color, but I did want big impact, and that's where we found this amazing calico wallpaper, which made for the perfect feature wall. It has this beautiful watercolor quality to it, and the colors being pastel made it very calming and perfect for a bedroom. And to complement the wallpaper, we painted all of the walls in Bear's new house white, which just has a touch of warmth to it. We were able to find some linen drapes off the rack, so she saved a lot of money there. And we saved a lot of money on the rug as well. It's just a nice flat weave and feels lovely underfoot. The bedside tables were definitely a splurge, but they look terrific. They're a little bit glossy and they have a ton of storage, which is perfect for her. She can just tuck everything away, but she still has a lot of surface on top for books and jewelry and a lamp. They're fantastic. The bed takes up most of the room, so I didn't want bedding that would overwhelm the space or compete with the wallpaper. So we went with Brooklinen's plain white for the duvet and a delicate gray stripe for the sheets, and the mix is that perfect base layer to pile on a few luxury pillows. We were lucky to have some space for a bench, which is always very practical at the end of the bed. I don't care if you pile your clothes on there or you use it to put on your shoes, it's useful. Honestly, the Mural did all the heavy lifting in this makeover. And because it's such a high impact accent wall, I was able to keep all of the furniture and the accessories very quiet, allowing Jen to have this serene escape that she's always wanted. And she's really happy.